In a world often marked by strife and struggle, a wise Moroccan once imparted a profound lesson: what God has given is what exists. This timeless proverb teaches us the power of acceptance, of finding strength not in resistance, but in graceful surrender to life's inevitable flow. For true wisdom lies not in control, but in understanding that life unfolds exactly as it's meant to be. This thought allows us to shed frustration and instead cultivate inner tranquility by trusting in the divine order. When we accept what we cannot change, we liberate ourselves from needless suffering and open the path to gratitude and contentment. This acceptance isn't about resignation, but about recognizing our control's limits and choosing peace over discord. In the face of uncertainty or hardship, remember this ancient Moroccan wisdom. Let it steer your heart towards patience and hope. For sometimes the greatest peace comes from simply saying, accept what you cannot change, and cherishing the beautiful, unpredictable journey of life unfolding before us.